my channel, everybody. Today I am here with the Allure Beauty Box for August. The Allure Beauty Box is a monthly subscription box. For $15 a month, you get editor tested and approved makeup and beauty samples with a $50 to $90 value. It's mostly sample size. They throw the occasional full size in. When they do, it's usually a doozy, like something really impressive. I tend to enjoy this box. So, with each box, you get a mini magazine that talks about the products in the box, a reusable pouch, like makeup case, this month in neon. So let's see what we've got, shall we? The first thing, I'm gonna try to pull them out without looking, but of course I already noticed this. Makeup eraser mini. So if you have never used the makeup eraser, it's amazing. You wet it, it's cloth. You can use it with no soap, and it will both remove all of your makeup, and if you flip it over, exfoliate your skin. This is a small one. So here it is. The one that I have, the full-size one that I have at home is pink, which obviously has stains all over it from my black mascara. So I'm kind of excited that this one is black. It's really soft, and you just wash it and reuse it over and over again, and it's amazing. If you haven't tried this product yet, I absolutely recommend it. And this one's so cute. Look at how small. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to pull out of my little neon baggie, let's find out, is Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream, which is a moisturizer. Like this. Let's see what the inner packaging looks like. There we go. It is it's a Korean product. And it's all infused with nutrients and seeds. The next thing that I'm going to pull out of the box is Benefit They're Real Mascara. Let's see. It's mascara. Cool story, right? Next up is, what is this? Essential Cargo Cosmetics Essential Lip Color in the shade Bombay. Pretty little box. Let's see what Bombay looks like. Can do a little swatch. Oh, little silver tube. That's like a full size. That's a big old boy right there. Okay, Bombay. What are you? Ooh, creamy. creamy formula. Very soft. Ow. Very pinchy if you stick your thumb in there when you're trying to close it. Cargo Cosmetics. And they call this color One Coat, High Pigmentation, and it's really pretty. I like One Coat. Liquid Beam Multi-Purpose Liquid Illuminator from Allure Cosmetics. It is a doe foot bronzy eyeshadow. Yeah, I guess so. I thought it was gonna be a highlighter, but it is. A liquid doe foot applicator eyeshadow. So let's see. Hard for me to draw with this hand. All right, it's like a shimmer. You can see a bit of that on your lids, making a very shiny statement. I would put this on the inner corners, like here. Yeah, that would really make your eyes pop. It says you could put it on your Cupid's bow if you wanted to use it for a highlight. So you can do both. It's a multitasker. Excuse me, I have dropped my little pouch. I'll be right back. Hello, and we're back. The next thing I have here is the Nuria Triple Action Eye Cream. With mulberry root and ginseng, native to China. Only Chinese ginseng, I guess. It minimizes puffiness and moisturizes. It says it has an interesting applicator, so let's open it up and see what they mean by that. Oh, I see. See, it's got a little flat disc applicator. The circular keeps you from pressing too hard and damaging your under eye skin and making it all wrinkly. And the last item in this beautiful neon green pouch is the Arnola Slow New York Multitasking Eye Serum Mask. Is little half moon under eye masks that are a delight to put on when you're watching TV in the evening or whatever. Gotta love it. That is everything in this month's Allure Beauty Box. What did you think? I am interested in putting this highlighting eye makeup to good use. I think I'm excited about that. I like a little bit of shine. I don't know if you've noticed. What? So that should be really fun to use. What's your favorite item in the box? Comment down below. Click the like button. Ring the little bell if you want notifications of my next video. Thanks for opening my box with me, and I will see you soon. Bye. For more adventures of a girl and her box, click the playlist in the top left. If you want to see what we get up to in our life around here, click the playlist in the top right. I'll put my last Allure box down in the bottom. You can subscribe by clicking the circular icon with my face. Thanks for watching!